In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to manage your documents more efficiently or simply want to share resources with your team, understanding how to upload files within HubSpot is a crucial skill. So, let's dive right in and make this process seamless for you. First things first, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Use your credentials to access the platform. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. This is your starting point for navigating through various tools available in HubSpot. We want to find the Files tool next. From the dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and find the Marketing section. Click to open the drop-down menu, and then navigate to Files. That's where the magic happens when it comes to organizing and storing your files within HubSpot. When you find the Files tool, click on it to open the File Manager window. Now that you're in the File Manager, the next step is to upload your files. In the top right corner of this window, you'll see a button labeled Upload Files. Go ahead and click on this button. It's prominently displayed, so it should be easy to spot. Once you've clicked Upload Files, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to select your files. These files need to be on your computer, ready for transfer. Navigate through your computer's hard drive and choose the files you wish to upload. You've got a couple of options here. Either select each file individually by clicking on them, or, to save time, you can highlight multiple files if they are in the same location. Alternatively, if you find it more convenient, HubSpot offers a drag-and-drop feature. Simply click and hold the files on your computer and drag them over to the File Manager window in HubSpot. Once you let go, the files will automatically be placed in the folder you're currently viewing. After you've selected or dragged your files, you'll notice that they appear in the File Manager window. If you initially selected them through the dialog box, make sure to click on Open to finalize the selection. This step ensures that the files start uploading into HubSpot. An added bonus is the organizational flexibility HubSpot provides. If you're handling several files, you might want to organize them into specific folders. You can drag files directly into these folders or drop them in whichever folder you're currently working in. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded files into your HubSpot account. Remember these steps anytime you need to manage your files or ensure that your team has access to important documents. With practice, you'll find this process becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy uploading!